Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set timer to close your tabs in the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. On the bottom right corner, you have to tap on these three dots. That's the menu icon. Tap on the settings, the last option. And if you tap on the tabs, you can select to delete your tabs after 1 day, or after 1 week, or after 1 month. Let's say after 1 day. By tapping on it, you can select that. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.